Hello students, good afternoon all of you. My name is Kaiser sir and today I am going to teach you a new chapter. Our new chapter name is addition. Okay. In the previous lecture we are done the place value. Whole chapter we have done and then further we are going to after a addition. Okay. So now today we are going to learn a addition. Okay. So now can we start let's start the addition. Okay, first day after before my lecture is coming, that's why hello students, my name is Isaac sir and today I am going to teach you new chapter addition. In previous lecture we have done a place value and now today I am going to teach you a new chapter addition. So let's start a new chapter addition. I hope you are understood betterly. A last chapter means our first chapter of place value. Okay, so now today we start the addition. So today I am teach you addition and some additions already we are learned. So in a new further other topic related to addition. So a question number is first. It's not an exercise. It's only a revision or a introduction part of our chapter. Okay. So looking and here students. No need to. I am giving you introductions of additions because of you know very well what is the addition and what is how to do the additions and how to solve the plus digit. How to solve a plus minus, not a minus but plus example plus sums. Okay, or also problems. So that today start the solve keeping the rule of addition in mind. Okay, students. So let's read here. Let's start here the first question of our chapter. It's not your exercise, it's only just introduction part of our chapter. So solve the keeping the rules of addition in our mind. Okay, we have solving the additions and keep it in mind what rules of addition. Okay, so in a first 14 plus 13. So it's your question. Okay. So how can we solve this question? So we solve as like that 14 plus 13. So 4 plus 3. So how many? 7 plus 1 plus 1. So 2. So it's our answer. Okay. Next one is a B. Okay. How can we identify? But we write the as like that. 13 must be. We are here right. Must be a smallest number on top side and smallest number means small numbers right at top side and large number right above. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, and here is 2. So that is our method is this. Okay, our method is which method is correct for here? Okay, this method is correct. Then further B 21 plus 0. So answer is only 21. So how can we solve? First of all, who are we right? Okay, which number is right for here? Okay, so 0 plus 1, so 1, 2 as it is. Okay, then question number C. C is what here? 8 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 8, so 9 is our answer. It's our rule. Okay, so now let's start here question number D. Question number D is what? 1 plus 25. Okay, 1 plus 25, so 1 plus 25. Okay, so 6 and 2, answer is 26. Okay, it is our first question. Solve keeping in the rules of keeping the rules of addition in our mind. This question is no need to write in our fair books. Okay, whenever I am telling you this question, only exercise we are writing in our fair book. So let's start the question number second. Okay, since I'll teach you first of all, in first lecture I will teach you some additions. Okay, so method of so now we are starting here the regrouping method. Okay, so question number second is what? Add the following. Add the following. Add the following. Regroup if needed. Okay, regroup if needed. So question number first is what here for us? 65 plus 25. 65 means 65 plus 25. Okay, so 5 plus 5. If regroup are needed, so we are doing a regroup here. Okay, 5 plus 5, so how many? 0 plus carry 1, 6 plus 2 8, and 1 carry 9. So answer is what here? 19. Then second question is what? Second question, 38 plus 79. Okay, so that's why here 8 and 9. Okay, so 17. 8 plus 8, so how many? 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So 1 carry. Then after 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So our answer is 117. Now let's move on. Question number C. Question number C is what? 738. 700 plus 38. Okay, students. So let's start 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8. So how many? 8. And 0 plus 3. 3 as it is, because of any numbers we are add with 0. So answer is what? We are add our main number. 8 plus 0. Okay, so is a 8. 8 plus 0 plus 3 is a 3. Then 7 as it is. Answer is what here? 738. Then start fourth sum B. 315 plus 622. Okay, 622. So now let's take here. Let's solve the questions. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, how many? 9. Okay, so answer is what here? 937. 937. Okay, I hope you are understood, all students. Then Okay, now it's your question. Okay, all students. So now let's start. Second question means question number. It is your second question, and now let's start question number 3. Okay. Okay, students. So let's start the question number. The question number 3 is what solve the addition problem. Solve the addition. Solve the addition problem. Okay. So let's start, students. I am right here the full question. Okay. What is the question? A large ship has 35 crew members. And 561 passengers. So how many people are there? How many people are there on the ship? Okay, so let's see, students. So the question is what here for us? A large ship as a 35 crew members. 35 crew member is our clue. Okay, so 35 a crew member in a large ship, and a 561 passenger. 561 is our passenger. Okay, so how many people are there on the ship? So what we are doing here, we are doing here the students 35 crew members add with 561 passengers. So we are find the how many people are there on the ship. So we can write here the 35 crew members. 35 crew members and 561 passengers. Okay, so 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 6 9, 5 as it is. So answer is what here? 596. 596 people are on the ship. It's our answer. Okay, it's your question. Again, I'm explaining you all students. A large ship has a 35 crew members and a 561 passengers. Okay, so how many people are there on the ship? So 35 crew members plus 561 passengers. So that's why now answer is what? 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 6 9, 5 as it is. So answer is 596 people on the ships. People are on the ships. Okay, so let's now we move the next question. Question number B. Okay. So now start our second question. Second question is what? Question number B. 250 people. 215 people show the morning show. Morning show of the movie. 215 people. 250 people show the morning show of the movie. Okay. So 250 people are show the morning show of the movie. Okay. And 32 people. 32 people more than that show the evening show. Okay, so how many people show the evening show? Okay, so students, okay, now one more thing I am telling you here, keep it in mind and don't forget these things. Remember always, in whenever you write, all students, the problems, solve the addition problems, whenever you write in your fact book, whenever you write in your rough book, that's why you are no need to write these questions. Only you are write a answer. No need to write a question in a exam also, in a fair book also, in a rough book also. Okay. So now let's start how to solve this problem. Okay. So 215 people show the morning show. Okay. So how many people show the morning show? 215 people. At which time? Morning show. Which morning show? But movie. Okay. And 32 people. Evening show. Okay. So now we are find here the answer. Okay, so how many people show the evening show? So what we are doing here, read again I am here saying 250 people show the morning show of the movie and 32 people more than that show the evening show. Okay, so then 200. So what we are doing for here, we are doing only the addition. So I am write here the first question. Okay. So our question is done. Now we are solve the only answer. Okay. So 2, 5 plus 3, 8 and 2. Total 282 people are show the movie show. But what we are find here, we are remove here the 32. 32 are show the which more than 32. So answer is 32 is a show evening show. Okay, so now I hope you understood, and now for the question and for the talk. Now students, we are going to use what you know. Okay, new topic is for us today. Using what you know. Okay, what you know of the about the addition. Okay, so let's start a backup a number to make a 10. Okay, we are what here a backup a numbers to a 10. So I am taking here 8 plus 5. So and I am back up here I am back up a number of a 10. 8 plus 2. So how many? 10. Okay, and plus and okay, and 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So it's a 30. Okay. So students, 8 plus 2, 10. So now how many left? 3. How many left? 3. So that's we have a right answer as like that. Understood or not? See now again I'm explaining you. We are make here back up a number to make 10. Back up a number to make a 10. Anyhow we can make the 10. So I am explaining you again for you all students. 8 plus 2. Okay, and I want to make a 30. Okay, 30. So it's a 10. So 13. How can possible? 8 plus 5. So it's a 13. Okay. So now students, here 8 plus 2 plus 3. So 8 plus 2. So how many? 10. And plus add 3. So 30. Okay. So that's why, see now, 10 plus 3, 13. It's an easy method. Okay. And now second example I'll give you for here. I'll give you here we are back up a second number make to a 10. Okay. Second number we are divide in a 2 parts. So second number is what for backup or the second number to make a 10. Okay. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4. So how many? 9 plus 10, 11, 12 and 30. So 9 plus 4, 30. Okay. So first of all we make a 10. 9 plus 1. How many needed to make a 10 in a 9? 9 plus only a 1. So 10. Okay. 10 plus 3. So 4. How can we back up a 10? 1, 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3. Okay. Then again 10. 10 plus 3. Again a 13. Okay. It's your answer using what you know. You know about the how to make a 10. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 9 plus 4, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Same way. See now answer is what here? Same answer but a different method we know about. Okay. So let's start a further question. Means a further questions what I am given you here. Okay. So 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 9. 8 plus 1. 9. 10 and 11. Okay. 11. So now, first of all, we make here the two numbers. 8 as it is, 8 plus how many? 2. Okay, so it's a 10. Okay, and then it's a what? A 1. So let's see, students. A 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So how many? It's a 3 possible. Okay, and 10 plus 1. So 11. Okay, so now take the further question. Further question is what for us? Okay, 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. Okay, so 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so 30. So now let's check here the students. 7 plus here 3 plus 6. Now how many make here? 7 plus 3, 10 and 6. How many left us? 10. See now, 10 plus 3. How many? 10 and 3. This number. Okay, so it's a make a 10. Then for the 10 plus how many? We have a need to making our answer 3. Okay, so 30. Understood all students? Okay, now a further question is last question. Today's session is a last session of our questions. Last but not least, tomorrow we are going the further exercise and further topic of related to the addition. Okay, now 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14. So okay, so 9 plus 9 plus 1. So how many here? 9 plus 1, 10, and here 4 plus 1. So how many? 5. So 10 plus 5. Sorry, 10 plus 4. Okay, 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. No need to adding here the 10 plus 1. Okay, we are taking here a 5 only. So answer is what? Here 4. 4 I am taking a different place. Here 4. So 1 and 4. Okay, I hope you are understood, or I hope you are betterly enjoy my lecture. Okay, students, let's start now. I'll give you homework. Okay. So see the students, today's your homework is table. I hope you are remember the 1 to 10 tables. Table 1 to 10. Table 1 to 10. 2 times in your rough book. Tables 1 to 10, 2 times in your fair book. All students, you must be do your homework. Okay. today's your homework. Anyhow, we can also anyhow we complete our homework. Today's your homework is what? 1 to 10 tables 2 times in your rough book. Okay.